Hello everyone, this is Tej here. So in today's video, as usual, I know always that I have also read some story, and here I want to explain that story in my own way so that I can learn English and I can improve my English. So what I learned yesterday and what I read in this video, I am going to explain that story. And if you find any mistake, then please help me to correct me so that I can don't make same mistake in my another video, and I try to learn something new from your suggestion. So if you find any mistake, then please, I wholeheartedly accept your correction. I will take it very positively so that my English will improve. So let's start what the story I learned yesterday. So my friend, this story is about a greedy man. So there was a man lived named Raju, and he was a very powerful and very rich man, and he always tried to earn money by cheated. He never hesitated to cheat anyone to earning money. So he was a greedy also. So one day he learned a lesson that why anyone should not greedy to making money. What happened one day? He lost one bag, and the bag had full of gold coin. There, the bag had a 50 gold coin, and he lost the bag, and trying to search everywhere, and the boss tried to search everywhere, but he could not found their bag. Their neighbor also tried to search the bag, but they all are not get succeed to search that bag, and he was very upset that my gold coin bag lost. Then what happened? Someday a man house, a servant used to work, and he has a daughter, 10-year daughter, was playing that ground. A couple of days, that 10-year girl found a bag of this bag, which is full of gold coin. The bag had 50 gold coin, and he go to his father and tell the story that I have found a bag, and there is 50 gold coin in the bag. Then he recalled the history that that bag is my boss bag, and I have to return my boss because I work their home, so it's my duty to hand over this bag. And he decided to hand over this bag to his boss. And what happened? When he hand over the bag to his boss, he say that where are you found this bag? Then he say I don't find this bag. My daughter found when he was wandering, when he was playing in the ground. He found this bag, so I feel that bag is yours. So I feel that I have to return this bag. Then he got opportunity to earn money, and he scolded his servant and say, this bag had 100 gold coin when I lost him, and you are giving me just 50 gold coin. That means you stolen other 50 gold coin. Then return my 50 gold coin. Then servant was very afraid, and he tried to make understand that I don't stolen your bag anymore. But the boss was not ready to accept the situation, accept their word, and he used to blame that you stolen my gold coin, then you have to return me. So he dragged this matter into the court, and where the judge listen the both incident that, sorry, I was just fumbling. So he listened that what happened. Then the servant say, my lord, my daughter found a bag, and the bag had a 50 gold coin. When I think that this bag is my boss bag, when I go to hand over it, my boss say, when I lost this bag, my bag had 100 gold coin. So he dragged me here to he dragged me here for punishment. So ball is in your court. You decide what should be done with me. Then he say that, where is your boss? The boss say, I am his boss. Then he listen their petition that when I lost my bag had 100 gold coin, but when my servant hand over this bag, he give me just 50 gold coin. That means 50 gold coin he's stolen, my lord. Then my lord, the judge say, when you lost your bag, are you sure in the bag 100 gold coin was? Then he nodded and say, yes, when I lost my bag, there were 100 gold coin. Then the judge say, if you lost your bag with 100 gold coin, but the servant found a bag which is only 50 gold coin, that means this is not your bag, and anyone can't come here to judgment that he lost her 50 gold coin. That means this is not your bag, this is some other one bag. So I order to those girl and his father to take this money as a reward of their honesty. Then in this way the boss lost his 50 coin also. So what we learn in this story, that if we try to punish someone, if you try to become very greedy, then what we have they also lost. And this is happen in this story. The boss, if they wanted, then they can accept very proudly that 50 gold coin, but he, instead of accepting this 50 gold, what they do, they try to escape, they try to make more money from this incident, and that's why he lost their 50 gold coin also. So we learn in this story that we always be honesty, we always should try to be honest, because honesty is the best policy. His servant tried to be honest, so that's why he become a 50 gold coin. But the boss was very greedy, that's why he lost their 50 gold coin. So in our life we should try to become honest man. So this is the story which I learned yesterday. So I hope you should understand the story. I know I make a lot of mistake, maybe I am not able to make you understand some incident, but somehow I try to explain in my own way. If you find a mistake, then please give me, so that I can learn something from you. So I am going to tell you this story so that I can improve my English also. So that's why I am trying to tell you the story. So comment me that how much did you find my story, how did you find my story, and what you want to say with me. If you also try to help me, then you can comment, you can suggest whatever your mind have, and in this way I can learn English very steadily. So I will always try to do my best, and here I also try to do my best. I will come with my another video, with my another story video. Till that, Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.